everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica, and today I've got two visitors. Actually, technically three, because Greta's over there. But we've got Jaeger here and my younger son. You can see, kind of see his legs there. But it's early. I'm filming earlier than normal. And so you might hear my other two out watching some videos or something out in the living room. Because, you know, it's not time for bed yet. So I have my BYOP update for you today. This is something that I started with my friend Dana back in early 2023. I think I'm gonna say we started on January 3rd or something. And yeah, we've been doing it ever since. We just kind of been mixing it up here or there. So we create our own little palette in our magnetic palettes with singles, depotted shades, Frankens, you name it. And we set our own goals. Some things we like to hit pan on, some things we just want to do a certain number of uses, some things we're trying to finish. This year, oddly enough, I'm trying to finish everything that is in here. In years past, I've wanted to just hit pan on things. I kind of mix it up, but even in a play year, I'm trying to finish some things. So that is what this palette is all about. And I have a lot of workhorse shades in here that are serving me very, very well this year. I think I chose wisely on this one. There is two shades still without pan, and we'll work on those. But I'm going to show you where this palette was for the last few months, because I did a reboot at the beginning of the year, and you can see the progression, and then I'm going to show you where it is now. And this is what she looks like right now. I am very, very pleased with this. Yeah. I will have a picture of last month so you can compare it. I usually will put it up on this side, and then you can compare to what I have going on right here. So let's start with the first one. I'm just going to say the first three are all from the NYX, either Street Style or Sex Bomb Femme Fatale palettes. I depotted them years ago, and I just don't know which one's which. So all three of those are NYX. The first one is just like a cool, taupey medium brown, and I have very much expanded the pan. You can see I definitely have side pan, corner pan, whatever you want to call that. I have definitely expanded that quite a bit, and I'm very, very happy. Can you hear my older son out there? It's being noisy as can be. What are you going to do? All right, the next shade. I have finally used it a few times. I actually really liked it, but I didn't use it enough to make any major progress on it, and I'm okay with that. Next one is more of a warm medium brown, and I have definitely expanded the pan on that one. It's almost square looking, I think, now, where before it was kind of like a triangle. So definitely making some progress there. This one up here in the corner is the one I've probably used the least, and this is Pecan Praline from the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. You're not going to see much of a difference at all on that one. I think I've only used it once or twice because I've been focusing on some of the other shades, and some of them they're very similar. So even though this one here is lighter, it's still tonally similar to these two, and I have chosen the other two. There is just something in my eyeball today. I'm not winking at you or anything like that. There's something in my eye. All right, let's go on to the second row. Both of these shades are from the BH Cosmetics Bubs Beauty Bee palette. It is so old, but it still works beautifully, and I love the shades in this. So this first one is Happy, and much like the one above it, I have gotten the side/corner pan there. Made very good progress on that one, and I'm excited. Yeah, it's just a beautiful shade. I use that frequently, and I'm just going to continue to keep working on it. Very happy with this one. I'm pretty sure it's called Bold. Let me double check. Yes, it is. It is the shade Bold, and I finally hit pan on this one. I had a little baby dip going, and I have used it so much that I have hit pan, and I'm excited about that because it's one less shadow in my collection that I need to hit pan on, since I'm trying to hit pan on everything. Yeah, very excited. So this one right here is from the e.l.f. Everyday Smoky palette. major progress on this. This is the one that I use on my eyebrows, and I really wanted to get down to this corner, which I did. Bring you up close and personal so you can see what that looks like. Very good progress on that one. And now I am starting to work down in this corner. All right, this eyeball is going to drive me absolutely bonkers. I bet I have an eyelash in there, and I suppose it could be my mascara flaking, but it's driving me nuts. Can you hear my kids? Yeah, they're crazy pants. All right, I'm going to try to get through this video without like digging my fingernails into my eyeball here. All right, let's go on to the bottom row. So this one, all three of these are Coastal Scents Hot Pots. This one is Pink Mauve. I do actually have it as like my transition shade today, and I really like it. Oddly enough, I'm also wearing it as a blush today. I had a different blush on earlier, but I've had my makeup on all day, like probably 13 and a half, almost 14 hours, and I had to do a little bit of touch up, and I thought, you know, let's just throw that on as a blush because I didn't want to pull everything else out. So yeah, I'm making progress on it, but I don't think it's visual progress. I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but you know, we're using it. In the middle is Fancy Pansy. I kind of have a baby dip going in there, but I don't know if that's going to show up, but I am using it frequently. And then Aluminum Taupe, I have definitely expanded the pan on that one. It is beautiful. I do actually have that on my eyes today as in the, not the inner corner, but like the inner third of my eyes. And I absolutely love this shade. I'm going to be heartbroken when that one is gone, but it's got to go because it's older. And I want to use it while I can still use it, and it works very well, which it does. So very good progress on this. I am going to set some goals for this top shade. I would like to finish off this top portion, so just right down to here. I think I can do it. Part of me wants to try to hit pan in this shade right here. I don't know if I can make it happen, but I need to do that. And I feel like if I focus on this to hit pan, I'm not going to make a lot of progress on Aluminum Taupe because I would use them in the same capacity. But I need to hit pan on that, so let's do that one. All right, for this third shade from NYX, I kind of want to just finish clearing out this corner because I have not hit side or corner pan on that. I would like this one to look like this one. If I can make that happen, that would be awesome. Pecan Praline, I'll use it, but it's not going to be a focus shade. I will get there. I almost feel like it's a little bit too light, and that may end up being partially Frankened when this one is done to kind of match, because I really like this one for my eyebrows, where this one's a little bit too light. So yeah, I feel like that's what's going to happen later in the year. All right, we're going to go with the BH Cosmetics. I would like to clear out this portion the same way I'm going to be doing up here. I would like to do down here. So clear from here down, get that bottom corner out, so we have basically a half a shadow left. For Bold, the dark brown here, I would just like to continue to expand that pan. I want it to be a very obvious pan expansion, and it's going to make me happy if I can make that happen. All right, e.l.f. Everyday Smoky. I would like to work on this corner, get this corner completely cleared out and just start working up this way. I don't know if I can get to this point, but I feel like I can make really good progress and probably get a decent portion of the way up here. I think I can do it. All right, I would like to have visible progress here on Pink Mauve. I'll just continue to work on Fancy Pansy. Hopefully I will have a more noticeable dip in this one. And same with Aluminum Taupe. I'm just going to continue to use it. If I'm focusing here, I'm not going to focus here as much. But I will use it. It's just not going to be quite as much progress. So I feel like those are reasonable, doable goals for the next month. And hopefully I can make that happen. All right, definitely go check out Dana. She is only on Instagram. And there are some other people that have joined in, that I know of that have joined in. So they're going to be linked down below. If you're doing this project or a variation of this project or you know someone that is, please let me know in the comments and I will get them put into my description box so you guys can find them a little bit better there. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.